Site investigation or soil exploration. Let's say we are at a site and that we want to construct a building. So before we start constructing the superstructure, we construct the foundation. So what is a superstructure? The superstructure is part of the building that you are seeing above the ground from outside. So a substructure is a part of the building that is below the ground which we cannot see from outside. So here a foundation is a superstructure. Now what is the function of a foundation? A foundation basically transfers the load that is coming from the superstructure to the surrounding soil. Now what happens if the foundation fails? If the foundation fails, we will have to undertake some remedial measures. First, let's say that you are constructing the structure and that you are witnessing that the foundation is failing. Then we will try to modify the design so that we can tackle the problem. Let's say that the construction has been completed and then we are witnessing that the foundation is failing. Then we will try to give some additional supports to the foundation so that it can carry the load from the superstructure. Now if the problem is with the soil, then you will try to modify the soil, or you will try to stabilize the soil by doing some ground improvement techniques. Now if all these rectifying measures fails, then we will have no other choice but to abandon the structure. Now all these remedial measures will give an enormous loss in economy. So before we start constructing any major, massive or cost consuming work, we'll have to first go to the site and study the site. So let's say that we are at a site, that is we are visiting this site. So the first thing that we'll do is that we'll do a visual study. But with just the visual study, that is by just observing this site, we will not know what is the type of the underlying soil, what is the strength of the soil, where the groundwater table is located, etc. So for that, we will have to do some extensive study. So the overall procedure of collecting the information or determining the information of surface and subsurface conditions will be called the site investigation or the soil exploration program. So a site investigation is basically to understand whether the site is suitable for the proposed construction work. The site investigation mainly consists of going to the site and doing a visual study of it and determining the stratification and engineering properties of the underlying soils. These engineering properties are determined by doing a field test, that is in situ test, or by collecting soil samples and by doing laboratory tests. The next video will be on the objectives of soil exploration program. Till then, stay blessed. Thank you.